Best free video editors for beginners. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the best free video editors for beginners that don't leave any watermark on your final video. So stick with me till the end and let's get into it. One that works great, Clipchamp. This is owned by Microsoft and it's super beginner friendly. You just drag and drop your clips, trim them easily, and even add stock music and titles. The best part, you can export in full HD with zero watermark. It's great for editing YouTube videos and it runs right in your browser. No big download needed. Next, there's CapCut. This app is insane for what it offers, completely free. You've probably seen it used on TikTok a lot, but it works perfectly for YouTube Shorts and Reels too. It's got transitions, effects, text animations, and even auto captions. And yeah, it doesn't slap a watermark on your final video unless you manually add one. Another great option is VN Video Editor. This works both on desktop and mobile, and it's one of the few free editors that has a clean interface and lets you export in high quality without a watermark. You can add layers, adjust speed, even do picture-in-picture, perfect for reaction videos or tutorials. And finally, there's Canva's Video Editor. It's not as feature-packed for fine-tuned edits, but if you're just trimming clips, adding text, and putting together something quick for social media, it's more than enough, and also watermark-free. So if you're a total beginner and don't want to deal with watermarks, you've got options whether you're on your phone, your laptop, or even just a browser. Thanks for watching, and see you in next one.